Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here in the sis Nwabisa, a friend of mine. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi Balavi. Please do join us on this beautiful journey called the Happiness Express show. I'm kidding. Please do press the subscribe button and the notification bell. Show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up and other videos that you're gonna watch that belongs to Moa. Anyway, so today I'm here with Nabiso and we're gonna play a game. We're gonna play a game called, what is it called? Guess the animal name. But the tricky part about this is that the animal name is in my home language, Tsonga. She has to say it either in English or Zulu. She's Zulu, by the way. So this is gonna be fun. You guys know how stubborn Zulu people are. Like they are language except their own languages.
Oh my God.
So yeah, I have 15 animals here. It's basically from insects, pets, it's mixed masala. It's not like a specific, you know, group of animals. No, it's just every yonke is an animal. Carrot, yes. Okay, anyways, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. You're gonna get 2 times to guess.
Alright.
Yeah, you're gonna guess the first time and then I'm gonna say guess again. I can give you a clue if you want, and then
Okay.
yeah, I was trying to make the clue very tight. Okay, anyways, animal number 1, Nongani.
It's a snake.
No.
What is it? Nongani.
Yeah.
Okay, can I
Nongani.
please have a clue?
A clue? It's very irritating in summer. I think we all hate it.
It's a fly.
Yeah. Okay, she got this one. She got this one. Yay! Okay, animal number 2. Ndiana.
What?
Ndiana.
Yo, I don't have any.
You can't even guess. Take your first guess.
Diana.
Yeah.
What is it? Yeah, Inja.
Ah, she got it! She got it! Oh my god! I wonder. Okay, and I hope you're not reading here.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Animal number 3. She has 2 points so far. Damn! And in this game, we were supposed to actually make it a drinking game, but then you know, it's a Sunday, so nah, let's chill. Let's rest buffet. So that means I would be taking shots right now. Anyways, the 3rd animal is Mfundla.
I don't know. It's an elephant.
No.
Okay.
Second guess.
No, I don't have any idea. What is it?
You check.
Yeah.
You fulfilled the point. Okay, Mfundla is a rabbit.
Oh my God.
It's a rabbit, so I guess it's a score for me.
Right.
Okay, our 4th animal we have Mbeba. But she's doing pretty good for a Zulu girl.
Beba.
You're doing pretty good.
Is it a pig?
No.
What is it?
I don't even know what a bee is in my language. What is it? I don't know.
Mosquito.
That's your second guess, so you got it wrong. No. Mbeba is a red, guys.
Oh my God.
I thought you'd get this one, hey?
Yeah.
I thought you'd get this one. Okay, anyways, our 5th animal is a hunt.
It's a horse.
Ah! Wow! Okay.
This one is similar to Zulu.
Okay.
It's a hashi in Zulu.
Oh
Hashi,
yeah, Hanchi. Oh yeah, now I get it. Then I connect. Okay. Okay, the 6th one is Ngulube.
It's a pig.
Oh, Ngulube.
Yes. You know.
Come on, Tsonga, come on now. Why we gotta be so Shaka Zulu-ish? Okay.
Yeah.
The 7th one, Ngala.
Panda.
I click.
What is it? I don't know.
What do you guess? It's so hot. What do you guess?
Okay, any clue?
I think it's part of our big 5, is it? Yeah, I think it's part of the big five.
Isn't it lion?
Is it a lion? What is it? Yes, it is a lion, guys. It is a lion. Okay, number 8, Vusokoti.
Vusokoti.
Yeah.
A bird.
No. It's found in the ground. Are they all found in the ground?
Tsonga.
No. Okay. No, it's ants.
And okay.
So good. It's ants, guys. It's ants. It's ants. There's a point for me. Okay, let's see. Number 10, Mbuti. Hey, hey, Mbuti. Like, duh. These things are too simple, man. Okay.
Difficulty.
Difficulty. Yeah, South Africans. Yeah, difficulty. It's that. Okay, the next one is Oh.
Yes.
Go. How did you guess that?
It's a cow.
How did you guess that?
I didn't guess. I think it's similar to Inkomo.
Kanjani?
Yeah.
Come.
Yeah.
It's funny, no, this is
Maybe it's because it ends with M-O.
Come on. That was a smart guess, I guess. It was a smart guess. Okay.
But it was simple for me.
Because you got it.
Yes.
Okay, anyways, number 12, Huku.
Huku, it's a chicken.
Yeah. If you don't know, you're not from South Africa, come on. Huku Nambia. Who doesn't know that song? Okay. She's doing good. Wow. Alright. Anyways, number 13. Moses. Ndlovu. Indlovu, bro. Yeah, like. Ah, man. Okay, anyways. And then, okay, we are left with 2 last ones now. Bongolo. This one she won't get. If she gets it, I'm retiring from being a
Actually,
Tsonga.
the thing is, I don't know what is it in English, but in our language, I think it's imbongolo. The one they use to transport things. It's more like a horse.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
a horse. It is a horse. Is it a horse? No, it's a donkey.
It's a donkey.
Yeah,
it's a
donkey.
It's
There's a
more
horse,
like
there's a donkey.
Yeah.
A horse is a hunch. Yes.
Imbongolo.
Forgive me, guys. Not guys. I also had to ask my mom all these, like, Mugel is not original, eh? Anyways, our last, very, very last animal, we have Shinyenyani. Yeah.
Does it do?
What can I say? It's one of the beautiful animals, man.
Animals.
Doesn't irritate anyone.
I was about to say a butterfly.
Yeah, that's a good guess, but no.
A peacock.
No. It's a bird.
Oh my god.
But she is in the right line.
Yeah.
You're my peacock, those are peaceful. Like as a Scoopy, unlike flies and no. Anyways, guys, we've come to the end of the video. I didn't want the video to be like super long, and now it's time that we cut this video and we go back to our chit-chatting, because actually Nwabisa is here so that we can have a good talk, you know, woman to woman. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification bell, of course, and show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up. Yeah, from me and Nwabisa, we are out of here.